Have you ever wondered why saffron is the world's most expensive spice? It's an enigma, a culinary riddle that has tantalized chefs and food enthusiasts for centuries. This golden treasure owes its high price to an incredibly labor-intensive extraction process, a fascinating story we'll unravel later. Grown in only a handful of regions worldwide, its scarcity is another factor in its extravagant cost. This precious spice holds secrets waiting to be discovered. Get ready to embark on a fascinating journey into the world of saffron. Saffron, the golden thread, originates from a beautiful flower known as Crocus sativus. This flower, with its vibrant purple petals, is a sight to behold. But it's not just a pretty face. The Crocus sativus is a native to Southwest Asia and was later cultivated in different parts of the world. Today it's primarily grown in Iran, which produces nearly 90% of the world's saffron. Spain and India follow closely behind, contributing significantly to the global saffron production. These countries have something in common, a climate ideally suited for the growth of Crocus sativus. The flower thrives in sunny, warm conditions, but also requires cool to cold winters for dormancy. It's a delicate balance, but when met, it creates the perfect environment for the production of this golden spice. But the beauty of the flower is not what makes saffron precious, it's what lies within. The real value of saffron lies in the delicate red stigmas of the Crocus sativus flower. Now, let's delve into the fascinating process by which these precious threads are extracted. Imagine a flower, beautiful and delicate, opening up to the morning sun. It's the Crocus sativus, a flower that blooms just once a year, revealing 3 vibrant red stigmas. These stigmas are the source of saffron. Each flower, yes, every single one, is hand-picked at dawn, when the flowers are still closed to protect the stigmas from damage and to ensure the highest quality. This is a meticulous and time-consuming process, carried out with utmost care, respect, and precision. Now, picture this. It takes approximately 75,000 flowers to produce just half a kilogram of saffron. That's right, 75,000. That's about the size of a small apple orchard, all to yield just a small amount of this remarkable spice. Once the flowers are picked, the stigmas are gently separated from the rest of the flower. Now this is where the magic happens. The stigmas are then dried, a process which transforms them into the familiar saffron threads we know and love. The drying process is just as important as the picking. It's done in a controlled environment, away from direct sunlight to prevent the loss of aromatic compounds. The drying process not only preserves the stigmas but also intensifies the flavor, aroma, and color, resulting in the highest quality saffron. So the next time you sprinkle those golden threads into your paella, risotto, or any dish, remember each thread is a product of careful cultivation, precise timing, and meticulous handiwork. This isn't just any spice, it's a labor of love, a testament to the dedication and hard work of the farmers who make it possible for us to enjoy this culinary luxury. It's this labor-intensive process that makes saffron a luxury. Saffron is not just a culinary delight, it's a treasure trove of health benefits. Picture this, a Spanish paella simmering in the pan, its golden hue courtesy of the precious saffron, or imagine the delicate strands of saffron lending their unique aroma and color to the Persian rice dish tahdig. And who can forget the Indian sweet kesari, its vibrant color and distinct flavor, a testament to the magic of saffron. Indeed, saffron has woven itself into the culinary tapestry of cultures across the globe, bringing with it a touch of luxury, a burst of color, and a wealth of flavor. But the allure of saffron extends beyond the kitchen. It's also a powerhouse of health benefits. Touted as a potent antioxidant, saffron is believed to combat oxidative stress, a key player in chronic diseases. It's often linked with mood enhancement, with studies suggesting its potential in managing symptoms of depression. And let's not overlook its long-standing role in traditional medicine, from soothing upset stomachs to easing menstrual discomfort. It's fascinating, isn't it? A tiny thread that packs such a punch. Whether it's gracing our dishes with its royal color and exotic flavor, or bolstering our health with its impressive benefits, saffron proves to be a culinary and health gold. Indeed, saffron is much more than a simple spice. So next time you add a pinch of saffron to your dish, remember the journey it has made. This vibrant golden thread known as saffron begins its life in the beautiful, bountiful fields of regions like Iran, Greece, and cashmere. It's born from the delicate purple blooms of the Crocus sativus flower, a sight as captivating as the spice itself. Each flower, a fleeting beauty, lasts only for a fortnight in the autumn season, making the harvest of saffron a race against time. When you think of saffron, remember the hands that delicately pluck the 3 stigmas from each flower under the first light of dawn to protect the precious threads from the harsh sun. The extraction process is a labor of love, a testament to the tireless dedication and patience of the harvesters. Following the pluck comes the drying, a critical step that brings out the aroma, flavor, and color that saffron is renowned for. Every time this golden spice graces your palate, it's not just the unique, earthy flavor you experience. You taste the fruit of countless hours spent in the fields and the painstaking precision involved in the extraction process. You taste a tradition that has been passed down through generations. But saffron, it's more than just a spice. It's a powerhouse of health benefits. From boosting your mood to improving your heart health, this golden thread is a treasure trove of medicinal properties. It's a culinary gold, a magical ingredient that can transform a simple dish into an exotic delicacy. So, as you savor the flavors of saffron, take a moment to appreciate the journey it has undertaken. From the flower to your kitchen, every step is a story of hard work, dedication, and love for this extraordinary spice. Saffron, a spice worth its weight in gold, truly brings a golden touch to our lives. The journey of saffron reminds us that the best things in life are often those that require the most effort and care. So here's to saffron, a testament to the beauty and value of diligence and dedication.